The solution for question number 1. So you have two consumers with utility ui equals to xi yi. Yeah. So the allocations for agent 1 is 9 comma 4. So endowment of agent 1 is equals to 9 comma 4 and endowment of agent 2 is equals to 4 comma 9. Okay. So what's happening now is that they are bargaining with each other about how to move. So consumer 1 proposes an allocation which 2 can either accept or reject. If 2 rejects, both of them go back to their initial allocation level which they consume in period 2. Okay. So future utilities are discounted by a factor of 25 by 36. Okay. So in period 1, person 1 makes some in period 1, person 1 makes an offer, okay, which person 2 can accept or reject, right? So it's a take it or leave it offer. So if you leave it, they both come to 4 comma 9. Okay, so since it's a sequential game, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use backward induction. So using backward induction, what can I see? So if person 2 rejects, okay, then what happens is that in case of rejection by person 2, the endowments remain as it is. So utility of person 2 becomes 4 into 9 into 25 by 36, because remember future utilities get discounted, so that is equals to 25. So if person 1 gets at least 25 units of utility in period 1, he will accept. Okay, so person 1 will accept provided that he gets at least 25 units of at least 25 units of utility in this particular period. Okay. So now, how do you ensure that this guy gets 25 units of utility? So suppose the offer is xa comma ya for person 1, and what does the other guy get? The other guy gets 13 minus xa comma 13 minus ya for person 2. Okay, so here the aim is that 13 minus xa, और रादर क्या करो, एक काम करो, पर्सन 2 को कर दो xb comma yb, and this guy getting 13 minus xb comma 13 minus yb. Okay, so we need xb into yb to be equal to 25, which implies xb must be equal to 25 upon yb. So person 1's utility, which is 13 minus xb comma 13 minus yb, becomes equal to 13 minus 25 by yb into 13 minus yb. Okay, so now this thing needs to be maximized. So utility of person 2 becomes equal to 13 minus 25 by yb into 13 minus yb. So maximize u2 with respect to yb. So that will give your yb star. Once you get yb star, you can solve everything. But notice that here we have a symmetric situation. So a shortcut would be that by symmetry, xp must be equal to yb, which must be equal to 5, which implies xa must be equal to ya must be equal to 9. So the proposal will be 9 comma 9 for player 1 and 5 comma 5, no sorry, 8 comma 8, 8 comma 8. Okay, total is 13 units for each good. So when you remove 5 you get 8 units. So proposal is 8 comma 8 for person 1 and 5 comma 5 for person 2, and person 2 will accept it, because if he rejects then it goes in the next period and he gets a lower utility.